What's good, everybody? It's Boss. Enosch with Boss Power Wash. You feel me? We back again. The reason I'm hopping on here talking, right, which I've been trying to do more of, I got a DM the other day, 2 days ago, right? I looked at the page. It seemed like it was a newer pressure washing company as well. They only had 3 posts. And he reached out to me. He was like, "Hey, man, how are you getting your leads? How are you getting these jobs? What are you doing? You seem like you're doing good. I seen your page. You look like you have a real stable pressure washing business. You know, like you got a lot of customers." And I said, "Hey, bro, social media is not what it seems, okay? These people think I got a job a day, 2, 3, 4 jobs a day. And that's not the first person to ask me something like that. But I get it, right? Y'all see the videos, y'all see the edits, y'all see, the work I've been putting in, the little pressure washing music videos. I know. I make it look sexy. I know. Yeah, make it look sexy. You feel me? But it made me think, social media really has a way of warping your perception, right? Because you don't know, all right? You see people all the time showing out. They got these nice cars and nice stuff, but really they be broke. Not saying that's what I'm doing, because I don't try to fake nothing, but I don't have a bunch of jobs. I'm not busy all the time. Most of my time for my business is me trying to get some jobs, okay? I'm knocking doors. I'm putting out the yard signs. I'm putting out the flyers. Still got a couple yard signs left. I'm doing it piece by piece because, they take them up after a while. So it really made me, laugh a little bit. And, I just told them what I'd be doing. I'm really just working, bro. Working, grinding. That's it. Nothing special. But jobs do not fall in my lap. Every opportunity I get, I was blessed enough to get, and it was in the right place, right time. You know what I'm saying? It just is what it is. I'm still building. That's the reality. That's a fact. But, from the new guy to the new guys, right? Marketing is key. Marketing is number one. Market. I'm no pro. I ain't go to business school, okay? I don't got a business degree. I'm just out here making it work. But one aspect that I see with people's social media, right? Because, oh my gosh. Social media marketing is a very important aspect of it, right? That's why you see I dedicate a lot of time to just putting stuff together, editing the jobs together. And so one tactic that you can do as a new guy, right? Because, you're not starting with any opportunities. You're not starting with any advantages most of the time. You're just a random person starting something from the jump, and you're trying to make it grow. So you have to take every aspect and every opportunity you can and capitalize on it and maximize it, right? You get a job. Okay, make sure you film. Get the before and after pictures. Record the whole process. If you want to make it fancy, get different angles and stuff. But record. Because, if you look at my TikTok, right, for example. Actually, yeah, here's a perfect example. It's my recent post, right? I had a full service job on Monday. On a Monday. So we did the gutters, we did the house wash, we did the driveway, and some pavers in the back, and we cleaned off the deck, right? Just off of that alone, you can make so much content off of that. Me, what I do? I made put the whole job together in a video with music in the background. I did a video just doing the house wash. I did a video just doing the driveway, like a time lapse type of thing. I got a whole bunch of before and after pictures. I got a little bit of content of doing just the gutters. So that's already four or five different things you could do just off rip. You know what I'm saying? And you got content that you can post every day. Ideally till you can get to the next job. Ideally till you find the next job, find the next client, or the next client finds you. But in the meantime, you see you're posting, you're active, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and you're fueling that day by day, brick by brick, to eventually make those income sources too. You feel me? But what I see a lot of people, they don't, they either don't have the time, or don't have the know-how, or don't have the, they're just not social media filming footage inclined, right? I was always kind of like a film kind of guy. I like content. I like making, I always had ideas making movies and stuff like that. I've been on YouTube editing, doing all types of stuff, right? So for me, it's kind of second nature. I already know that I have to do this. This is what you have to do. But even if you look around you, you see these billboards. You pay attention to the commercials that you watch. Pay attention to the ads that you see outside. All these big guys, these big companies are constantly advertising. You would think that, Wingstop, right? Everybody knows Wingstop. Everybody knows McDonald's. Why? Everybody knows them. They don't need to advertise no more. No, you got to keep marketing. Even when they already know you, you got to keep going. I was driving the other day, and I seen a Wingstop ad on a bench. And my first thought was why would they do that? Everybody knows what Wingstop is, bro. It's nothing. But that's not the point if you know it or not. The point is for you to keep being seen. Keep being seen. That's the point. To constantly keep you in their heads. That's the whole point. So, you know, there's facts, bro. There's facts. You know, game is game. All right, y'all just give y'all some free game, okay? But it's real shit. And I know these aren't really complicated concepts, but at the same time, for people who aren't inclined to this stuff, you know, they're not gonna know. You know what I mean? So shit. But that's the main thing. You got to stay on people's minds. So that's why you got to get these yard signs, put the yard signs everywhere. In strategic locations, but everywhere. You post social media. Keep posting. Facebook, the Facebook groups, the local Facebook groups. Keep posting. It doesn't matter. Put up the flyers. In a couple videos, if y'all really watch all my videos, I know I've mentioned in a couple different jobs how I got this job from a door hanger that I put on somebody's door 3 months ago, 4 months ago, 5 months ago, last year. You know what I'm saying? It happens. That's what it is. You have to wait. And same thing with like if you're trying to get these commercial jobs too, because a lot of times they take a while to respond. They take a while to accept the quote. In the meantime, you got to keep providing that social proof. You're working. You're out here working. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not just waiting for them to give you this job. Like, that's, you know, it's do or die if you don't get that job with them. No, you're waiting. You're comfortable waiting because you got plenty of other work. You know, you got plenty of other. You know, you're showing that you're doing things. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I was trying to keep this under a minute, and look, I ended up talking for 6 minutes and 49 seconds. That's crazy. But appreciate y'all, man. Catch y'all on the next one. Bye.